Breaking AI news. OpenAI has officially retired GPT-4 and just dropped something way more powerful. Meet GPT-4o, a brand new multimodal monster that speaks, sees, hears, and responds like never before. Why did OpenAI kill GPT-4? What can GPT-4o really do? And why is this the most important moment in AI history yet? Stay with me, because we're going deep into what this means for you, for AI, and for the future. And hey, before we start, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest breaking AI news. We bring it to you first every time. Let's dive in. OpenAI just made the biggest move since ChatGPT was born. After a year dominating the AI space, GPT-4 is being retired, completely removed from ChatGPT and the API by the end of April. That's right, no more GPT-4 in its place? A completely rebuilt AI model called GPT-4o. The O stands for Omni, meaning it's designed from the ground up to handle text, images, and audio in real time. And this isn't just an upgrade. This is a full evolution. GPT-4o is faster, smarter, and multimodal from the core. OpenAI didn't just replace GPT-4, they obliterated it. So what makes GPT-4o such a beast? It understands text like GPT-4, but with far less latency. It can see images and describe them instantly. It can listen and speak, holding voice conversations faster than any AI before. It was trained from the ground up to blend all these senses natively, not bolted on like GPT-4v. This means GPT-4o can react, think, speak, and create in real time. Imagine asking it to describe what's in a picture. Listen to your tone and answer emotionally. Create content with voice, text, and visual all together. That's not the future anymore. It's GPT-4o. Let's talk performance. GPT-4o responds faster than GPT-4. It uses less compute, meaning it's cheaper to run. OpenAI just made elite AI more accessible. It understands tone of voice, visual cues, and can hold conversations that feel human. This isn't just an AI update. It's a shift in how we interact with machines. No more boring prompts. No more walls between voice, vision, and text. GPT-4o breaks them all down. Let's get practical. GPT-4o is about to revolutionize customer support. Imagine a bot that talks and reacts like a real human. Education. AI tutors that hear your questions, read your homework, and guide you visually. Creativity. Artists collaborating with an AI that sees what they see and hears what they hear. Accessibility. Tools for the blind and deaf that respond across senses. Even apps like Be My Eyes are already integrating GPT-4o to help the visually impaired get real-time object descriptions. We're not just typing into AI anymore. We're living with it, so why now? According to Sam Altman, the shift to GPT-4o was inevitable. The goal? Build an AI that isn't limited by just text, but can understand the world like we do. Multimodality was the missing piece. And with competition heating up, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, Qwen, OpenAI had to go bigger, smarter, and faster. GPT-4 was brilliant, but GPT-4o? It's designed to lead the next generation of AI. Let's not ignore the risks. An AI that sees, hears, and speaks also opens the door to new problems. Deepfakes could get way more convincing. Audio manipulation could become mainstream. Misuse for scams, fake content, or even real-time impersonation is now easier. OpenAI says they've built safeguards. They've trained GPT-4o with alignment in mind. But remember, every powerful tool has two sides. The race is on between innovation and control. This isn't the finish line. It's the starting gun for the next phase of AI. Rumors are swirling about GPT-5 being trained in secret, real-time AI companions in augmented reality, AI-integrated games and movies. Bio-AI interfaces. GPT-4o is just the foundation. From here, we're heading into sci-fi territory. GPT-4 is gone, GPT-4o is here. This is not just a model switch. This is the start of a new AI world, one where machines talk, see, and think more like us. Don't get left behind. Subscribe now and hit that bell so you never miss the AI news that actually matters. Drop a comment below. Are you excited or nervous about GPT-4o? Is this the future we were waiting for, or something else entirely? We're just getting started. See you in the next AI update, and remember, we bring it to you first.